Hi friends, it is Bharat CN from Officer Sadda. I hope you are doing great. So tomorrow all of you are going to attend the country's most prestigious and most dignified IAS examination conducted by Union Public Service Commission. It is popularly called as UPSC examination. So in tomorrow's exam, as of my knowledge, your patience, your common sense and the presence of mind plays a very crucial role. And at the last moment, I would like to give you some suggestions. So first of all, the elimination method may going to work this time also. So most of the time we do not know the answers, or 50% we know something about the questions. At that particular point of time, you need to follow the elimination method. Instead of searching the right answer, you need to go with the eliminating the wrong answer. That is the best strategy, reverse engineering. So three round strategy I will going to tell you. First, you need to mark all the questions you have know 100% very well, sure short questions in the first round. Then go to the OMR sheet and fill the OMR sheet. And then second round 50-50 questions. In that questions 50% you know, so you have some knowledge about those questions and answers, and 50% you do not answer those type of questions. While answering these type of questions, you have to analyze the questions with your past knowledge and your experience, and already you have wrote a number of good test series which are available across the country. And in the third round you have to go for the most difficult questions. Maybe most difficult questions number will be more, but don't panic about that. So answer them quietly, and then after go to the OMR sheet and then fill the OMR sheet completely. And finally, I would like to give you one suggestion: be confident, be patient, don't talk to anyone about the examination and all. And in the second paper tomorrow afternoon, you will going to write the CSAT paper, Civil Services Aptitude Test paper 2. That also require lot of patience. If you are very comfortable with English, go for the English questions. If you are comfortable with maths or reasoning, go for maths or reasoning questions. But please make sure that you have to attempt correctly 35 questions. You have to make 35 questions correct, because 33% it is the cutoff. 33% is the qualifying marks in the paper 2. Means 33% for 100 and 200 it is 66. In order to score 66 marks, you need to correct at least 30 to 35 questions, then it is very good. So I hope you will going to do the best, and I wish you all the very best. So tomorrow will be your day. Enjoy the day and have a great day. Thank you very much thank you very much to all of you. Have a great day. Thank you all. Thank you.